CAM EV Charger, your trusted partner in the future of sustainable energy. Are you ready to boost your business and make a green impact? With the rise of electric vehicles, EV charging stations are more than just an amenity, they are a necessity. If you own a restaurant, banquet hall, or any commercial property, installing EV chargers can transform your business. Here's why: EV chargers attract eco-conscious customers, increase foot traffic, and encourage longer visits to your business. Whether you run a restaurant or a banquet hall, providing a convenient place to charge while customers enjoy your services creates loyalty and enhances their experience. At CAM EV Charger, we specialize in providing top-tier EV charging solutions for your commercial property. We don't just install chargers, we offer you the best from leading brands. Our experienced team handles everything from installation to ongoing support, ensuring your property is equipped with reliable, high-performance chargers that meet your needs. By choosing CAM EV Charger, you're investing in the future of your business. You're offering more than a service, you're providing convenience, attracting a broader audience, and boosting your revenue, all while contributing to a greener future. Ready to power up your commercial property? Let CAM EV Charger guide you into the future of sustainable energy. Contact us today and make the switch that will transform your business for the better.